guys, it's Jerry from NUOPARTY. Last time I introduced you a new fireworks firing system, 360-degree big wheel and rotate, which is best for your wedding and marriage proposal. Today, I want to introduce a new. This is an update one. So let's see what's the improvement. The update machine outside look is similar as before. We can provide 4 meters, 3 meters, 3.5 meters diameter, and it can ignite 12 queues of fireworks and 60 queues of fireworks at the same time. The size of the round base is bigger than before, so when the machine running, it will be more stable. Wireless firing system for each fireworks make the assemble much easier and take less time. We also keep the well-connected way, so you can have two choices to igniting the fireworks. The especially point is we take this wireless firing system to our ignition system, so it makes the machine assemble very easy and much less time cost. So let's see how long time it will cost to assemble this machine. We take only 3.5 minutes to assemble this cycle. So let's see what the effect will be.